Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Plant Kingdom Chapter 3, Grade 11 for your NEET revision exam. First statement in chlorophyll A, the stored food material is starch and the major pigments are chlorophyll A and D. So it is given like this. And in next one, phyophyll A, laminarin is stored food and major pigments are chlorophyll A and B. In rhodophyll A, fluoridine starch is the stored food and major pigments are chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. So here they are mainly focusing on the food and the pigments which is present in the different algae. So the correct option is C is correct. That is the rhodophyll. The fluoridine starch is the stored food and the major pigments are chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Whereas A and B are wrong, because in chlorophyll A the pigment is A, chlorophyll A, B and beta carotenes, and in the phyophyll A the reserve material is laminarin, starch and mannitol, and it is A and C chlorophyll and beta carotene and fucoxanthin. So this is given wrong here, so that is wrong. Next question, group of algae in which sexual reproduction is absent. So answer is Cyanophyceae. Next question, 3 agar-agar is obtained from. So you know where we are getting all of the above from. These all are the algae where we get the agar-agar. Next is, which of the following occurs both in fresh as well as in marine water? It is cladophora. You can find it in both in fresh and marine water, and even it is obtained as multicellular, macroscopic, marine and reproduce sexually. Next one, chlorophyll A and B are present in chlorophyll A. Next one, sixth question, incorrect character of brown algae is presence of chlorophyll A and B. Actually in brown algae we have xanthophyll pigment, fucoxanthin and the chlorophyll A and C. There is no chlorophyll B. A alone is present. Beta carotene and other xanthophylls are present. Next, algae which form motile colony is volvax, obviously formed in the colonical way. Next, question 8, again the statements are given here. You can pass the statement and you can choose it because we have 5 statements here. So among that, which one is correct? The correct one is option D. A and D alone are correct. Okay. Next one. So there are some pictures given here, the diagrams A, B, C, D, E, it is named and you need to identify what it is. First one is Pictiota, next one Polysyphonia, and C is Porphyra, and D is Laminaria, and last one is Ficus. 10th question, non-motile greatly thickened asexual spore in Chlamydomonas is known as hypnospore. Next question, question number 11, isomorphic alteration of generation is found in Ectocorpus algae, which is of isomorphic alteration of generation, that is both the sporophyte and the gametophyte. This alternatively will appear. Question number 12, all cells of sex organs are formed gametes in. All cells of sex organ are formed gametes in which algae? Most of the algae in research center is chlorella, because we use it as an experimental material in the Calvin cycle, and antibiotic chlorelin is obtained from the chlorella. Next question, the giant algae that is the Phaeophyceae, giant algae, mostly in the cold waters you can see it. Pyrenoids are characteristically found in the chloroplast of algae. Alginic acid is obtained from brown algae. Algin is a type of water holding substance present in the cell wall of brown algae. Red rust of tea, that is caused by Cephalourus fungi, Cephalourus algae, which is a disease of the tea plant. Next, match the following. Among this, correct match you need to follow. You need to see correct answers. What is the correct one? Phaeophyceae mannitol is present, and Rhodophyceae phycoerythrin is present. Remaining is wrong. So the correct match is A, D. Stomata are not found in where we don't have stomata. Algae doesn't have a stomata. Sexual reproduction in algae result in the formation of zygospore. Which of the following form contain algae? That is none of this, because all are pteridophytes. In Chlamydomonas, the meiosis occur in zygote. And you can see the other algae like Elothrix, Pyrogyra, Volvax and Chlamydomonas. They have the haplontic life cycle. Meiotic division in zygote takes place in Thallophyta. Thallophyta includes algae and fungi. You know what is a thallus? It is a flattened structure. So where it is found mostly, we say it is in the algae, right? Thallophyta includes all the algae and lichens, fungi, bacteria, all those which are here also included, but there is no leaf, stem, root, all those things. Thallus of Volvax is option A. Agar-agar is obtained from again red algae, Gelidium, Glacilaria. All the cell walls contain agar-agar, that is extracted, which is used for food. As a food, we are using it for making jellies and all. 27. Algae attached to stone is called epilithic. A plant which is growing on the surface of the rock, we call it as epilithic. Syngamy can occur outside the body of the organisms in algae. Fusion of two gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as anisogamy. That means the gametes are similar in morphology but their behavior is different. Example, Chlamydomonas. Question number 30, column 1 and 2, you have to found the correct combination. Here we are matching A with 5 hornbot and B with 1 walking fern and C with 2 algae and D with the 4 gametophytes. So answer is C. We have few more questions with this. I will place the video in the next part of those questions. Thank you all.